Oh boy. Well, Cindy. What? Those are awesome.
Yours is like.
I like it. What is yours? Yours is cool too. It's purple. What? Really? You're jealous?
Yeah.
I guess I'll be jealous. You can use your own money and buy another one.
Yeah.
So, Cindy got to see Fresh Baked, and apparently she's going to be in his video.
I actually took
What?
pictures of all of the, because I figured you wanted to see them.
True, I did. I didn't think we were going to make this a quick vlog.
There was a picture of
Oh
all
my
of them.
gosh.
Turn my thing.
Oh yeah, you and your stupid
I don't
phone
like
things.
that.
Well, it's on what everyone else
Click on
does. Ah! Go this way.
I took a picture of what they had.
Oh, that is so cool. I don't know if it'll focus that well, but oh man, Damien would have probably liked one of the other ones too, but it's okay. This
It
is
was
a start
hard.
for
It
you.
was hard to choose for,
It's all
for
right.
him.
All right. Here, go ahead and take that, Damien. Open yours up. Let's see it.
I want to open the safe.
And you can start using it today.
What?
We have to link them. So
We have to link them. Okay, let's go. You guys want to go find a table and then we'll open them up together?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's go do that. All right.
Be the planet.
Tomorrowland. Do you know where the other areas were that they had them? Do you remember?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either. We were literally just gonna go on what was it? Space Mountain, right? That's what we're gonna go on. Yeah, me and Damien went on Space Mountain, and then all of a sudden, Cindy's like, "I just want to go and get him because the line was getting long." So that's what happened. And now we're here, and now we're gonna do an unboxing video for YouTube. Right here, this last one right here. Haha. Good, Damien. Open this up. Put that over there. You gotta lay it flat for me. Put it all the way over there. Tell me how the angle looks.
Good.
Can you see me good?
Yeah.
This dang wheelchair. All right, so here we are. Are you okay? Come over here, buddy.
I'm okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, so there's spaces that you can put on. One band fits most. Discover more about
she
Magic
says don't
Band.
lose the cord that's in here.
There's a cord? Oh, it charges, right? So look, Damien, on the top. Open that right there.
Right here.
Yep, on the top, and then slide it out.
How did you start it up so
I don't know, but I did. Box is empty. We're doing an unboxing at Disneyland.
How do I can't cut these open, can you?
I don't
You're
know.
just gonna pull it out? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, cool. Cool.
It's a cordless charger. I like that. I thought it was gonna be like a USB-C or something. I like that a lot. Yeah, I'm just pulling it off. I'm just going ham.
I can't get. How did you get it out?
Because I'm crazy. Yay! Oh gosh. That's there. Now we're gonna pull on it this way. I guess so.
Okay, I gotta figure out how to do
Yay!
Can you help me get it out? I don't know how you got
I
it.
guess I'm unboxing two of them. Go make sure the camera still looks good for me, please. Look
Yeah.
fine? Looks fine?
Yeah.
All right, so Damien, open that area right there. And then you put your hand on it. Right there, there's a little lip where it sits in there. There you go. Pull it out. Ready? Dun, 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 dun.
How did you do that?
Okay, Cindy's linking it. I guess there's a QR code in the back to do that.
I don't know. I'm reading how to do
So
it.
yours is the Haunted Mansion themed. As you can see right there. I'm not sure if there's going to be a glare, but that is hers. And mine is just a Magic Key themed in general. The happiest place on earth, right? Happiest place on earth.
How'd you get it out? Oh,
Yay!
never
I'm so happy.
mind. Mine's thin.
What are the buildings on here?
Mousy.
Oh, it's got everything on here. Sorry, yours is just purple and matches your clothes. You
I can't read what you're
excited.
talking.
There's literally everything on there. Space Mountain, Matterhorn, Autotopia, the boat. I forgot the name of it. Both boats are on here. Freaking Pixar, The Incredibles rides on here. Ooh! Okay, let's see how this fits on my wrist because I have a fat wrist. It's really fat. So, it looks like it's good so far. It looks like, yeah. It'll work. Let's do it this way and then we'll fix it from there. We'll put it on my wrist like this. Oh, you can even cut it for when it's for kids. I forgot about that. So I'm from Florida, and I had a MagicBand years ago. I've been in California for like 7 years now. But yeah, so there's an area for kids to cut theirs off as well. But Damien doesn't need that. So let me go back to putting this thing on.
So would I just go like this and
And yeah, push it in. Ooh, it actually pops into place. Yay!
try to do this with one hand?
I still have a couple left. Here, put your wrist right here. So we can put it in the camera. And it will go like, put your wrist like this so you're looking at it. So it'll go like this, right?
Okay.
All right, so flip it this way. Watch out, you're in the camera view, bro. All right, and then you go like that, and you pop it into 2 holes. It's like when we go to autocross and you can't put the wristbands on for yourself. Yeah. So Cindy's doing it right now. Here, let's get the camera. I can't reach it. Ah. Cindy's right now on the app, connecting it. 2-step opening and
I'm
download.
trying to figure it out.
So what all have you gone through so far?
I don't know much.
Because there's a button in the back, right? Yeah, there's a button in the back that does something. Yeah, it turns
It
on.
says to tap it. I don't know how.
There has to be a simple way to do this. I don't know. I'm sure there's other videos out there on how to do that. We're not really here to connect it. Oh, you did it? Wait, you found it? There was a button to say tap on? Oh, there you go. You found it. Ready to scan.
Scan not valid.
What?
I don't know.
I don't either.
Maybe you have to go like this onto it, like this.
I don't understand.
Ready to
Back.
scan. Neener, neener, neener.
Scan not valid.
Scan not valid. Huh. Turn it back on because it's not lighting up right now.
Wait, how do you turn it on?
Yay! I'm so happy where we are right now. We still have a whole day here.
How do you turn it on?
There's a little button in the back. Right there, that little button. Oh, there's a QR code in the back for you to scan it too?
I'm trying.
Hey! Hey! I'm going to have to do this on my phone. That is so cool!
I have to do mine.
Oh my god! I'm so happy! Yay! We have bands now! Okay, we're gonna get ours connected. I hope you guys liked the video. We have a whole bunch of I can't even talk right now because I'm so tired still. We have a whole bunch of old content from us being at Disney. We go here on vacation. We are from Central California and all that stuff, but yeah, so we're gonna see Cindy in Fresh Bakes vlogs sooner or later. And yeah, oh, you can connect our passes to it too, or you connected your own pass to it, and then we have to do it to all of ours, huh? That is awesome! Yay! What's happening now?
Something.
It's telling you, hold it. 3, 2, 1.
I know that's it. How do I? Yeah, it's on, I think. Once powered on, hold button down for 3 seconds and release. 1, 2, 3.
It's a learning process. We don't know what we're doing here. Yay! Are you having fun there, sir?
Yes.
It's done?
I think so.
Yay! Yay!
Not connected. Pair.
Not connected? Now
Oh,
you
wait,
can
is my
pair it.
Bluetooth on? Yeah.
Yep. So hold the button down now.
Oh, this is what I'll show. Okay. Make sure your band is charged. To power on, press and quickly release the button on the back of your band. Once powered on, hold button down for 3 seconds and release. The band will vibrate and pulse.
Oh.
I turned into a child.
I guess you guys are seeing how it's working today then. There it goes. Also, this is an Android phone, not iPhone, but I'm sure it's going to be the same steps. Download and install. Yay! Yay! So we're going to get ours connected. We're going to go enjoy the day. We're going to Oogie Boogie Bash tomorrow. I'm going to do my best to get this edited and uploaded it today, right now, Wednesday. And yeah, yesterday we were here for a full day, and the day before was our anniversary. Me and Cindy went that day on our own. Oh,
I'm already sweating.
because you're in the queue. So what is happening right now?
It's pairing.
It's pairing, availability. Okay.
Oh no, it's updating right now.
Yeah, it's updating it. Yay! Yay! Look at the light up. Look at the colors. Look at all the colors.
Technology is not my thing.
Technology is not your thing, but it's okay. We're still doing it. I got an unboxing at Disney. I've done an unboxing at Disney. I'm so happy. Never thought that would happen.
And then I'll have to pair your guys' to your tickets.
It's okay.
And now
What's that?
I don't have to worry about your guys' fucking sliding. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's already past the time I get. But I know we're trying to be. It's okay.
Oh my god, I can change this.
Because you'll be able, your passes will be on this. So Damien leaves outside for some reason without us. He can come back in with his watch.
So how does it work when you're at the gate though? Do they just scan it on their phone? I don't know. We'll figure that out, I guess. Maybe it'll be in a video for tomorrow or something. Because again, we're here for the rest of the day today and for tomorrow all day. And tomorrow we have Oogie Boogie Bash, and then we head back to Central California.
Closer.
Oh, it's almost there. We're just talking and making more time. Hopefully you guys are still watching. Help me with watch time. I've just recently monetized earlier this year and helped me make some money.
What's this bag?
That's the bag that it came in. That's what she bought it in. Yay, look at all the boxes. We have to keep all the boxes because I'm a hoarder, Cindy.
It says works with Alexa.
What? Oh, that's cool. But I like this charger. I mean, really, this is a cool charger. If it'll focus on it. I don't know if it will.
Make sure Damien doesn't throw on his charger.
I know what you're talking about.
This is taking longer than expected. Please make sure the band is close to the phone.
Yeah, keep it close to the phone, Cindy.
I might be on the top.
Okay, what do you guys want to do after this ride-wise? Yeah, it's the same thing.
Oh, I think we should still go on to
That's where it charges. What?
still do Star Tours and stuff.
Star Tours.
Also, your MagicBand Plus has been updated. Fine, Magic Plus.
What is that?
Oh, it just tells me everything we can do. So, the Bounty Hunter game we can go play.
We have to do that today.
Yeah. That's all good to go.
Cool.
So you can
get started.
You can pay with whatever card you have attached to your Disneyland account.
We can connect our card to this like the one in Florida?
It's connected.
Because it's connected to the app. Yeah. Cool. Okay. We're going to edit this, get it done. I'm going to go around and tell everyone happy birthday like I always do. Hopefully you guys will watch the next vlog of when we're at Oogie Boogie Bash because we're all going to be from Alice in Wonderland. He's going to be the Cheshire Cat. Cindy's going to be Alice, of course. And I'm going to be the Mad Hatter because that's my
right
one of my
now
favorite.
it has 2 battery bars.
2 battery bars?
Or 2 little bars things.
Oh, because it's not going to be fully charged when we get it, but it's going to be charged enough for the day. But it's okay. That's cool to know. That's cool to
Light
know.
up theme, I can change the color.
What?
Oh, a Haunted Mansion, and then there's other colors to light it
Oh,
up.
that
I'm going to
is
keep my Haunted Mansion one then.
That is awesome.
Mine
See,
was
you should have brought your phone. You left it in the car. You would have been able to connect it to your phone.
I need to install a Disneyland app though.
Settings, vibrations,
Oh, you can go deep into the settings on
band
this.
light, reduce brightness, vibration, increase gesture. Your band will be more sensitive to your movements during interactive experiences.
What?
Why not? Connect park experience.
Oh, that's right, because it lights up when we go to parades and stuff, right? And like light shows. Is there any tonight that we can look at?
Huh?
Are there any? Are there going to be any tonight? Do you know?
No, not today. No.
I know there's only on the weekends right now, which is boof, but whatever.
Okay, so let me add another one. Let me try yours.
Okay. All right, that's gonna be it. It's all just gonna be repetitive from there. So, hope you guys like the content. Leave a like, subscribe for more usual stuff on YouTube. You know what it is. Yay! Magic keys, Disneyland.